Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sorin and today we're going to talk about the news from the crypto. So the first news that I want to tell you is from bitcoinist.com is that the South Korea's four biggest crypto exchanges slammed the door on Russian users. GoPax, one of the major exchange platforms in South Korea, was the first to publicly reveal Thursday that it was blocking IP addresses from the countries and fully freezing 20 seconds. Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken have all stated that they will not make such a move on their own, stating it would be an ethical infraction. So users from Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, they are safe. Kraken's chief executive officer JC Powell stated that the Bitcoin is the embodiment of libertarian ideas, adding that his company cannot freeze Russian clients' accounts in the absence of legal mandate. I think it's a normal decision, stuffing of the Russians. Additionally, BitHump, CoinOne, Upbit, and Corebit declared that they will impose limitation on Russian addresses, citing their ease of use for criminal operations such as money laundering. Well, this is normal, guys, because money laundering is also in the banks, and they are how do you say, the banks accept this and they know these persons, and they accept commissions for money laundering and criminal bans. So it's not so wow, this news. We know that there are documentaries on Netflix for this if you want to see. However, crypto trading involving the Russian ruble on the cryptocurrency exchange Binance were well above their regular levels this week. It's normal that people from Russia to fear the depreciation of the ruble coin, yes, the ruble from Russia, and they want to involve in crypto. So it's normal. So as a crypto, everybody says is good for decentralized money. So I can understand why some of these exchanges don't want to put limitations on Russian people. I know it's not normal, guys, because Russia attacks Ukraine, but hey, this is money we are talking about. Okay, the next is will sanctions force Russia into mining? So it would be a stretch for the Russian government or central section entitled to look to mining as a way to get access to Bitcoin. They could translate it to goods and services, or just hard cash. Even though Bank of Russia stated their opinion with the proposal that bans mining and trading, is known that President Putin disagrees and supports crypto mining. Given the energy sources Russia owns, would Bitcoin mining propose an easy way around the sanctions? So, well, okay, even though the President Putin agrees with the mining, there is not enough force so that the Russia capture a lot of Bitcoin in their wallets. So anyway, yeah, it's a possibility that Russian people will start to increase the mining in the Bitcoin. Bloomberg argues that the increasing has already existing mining capacity of Russia will not serve in favor of their resistance against these sanctions. Despite being energy rich, given the size of Russian financial market and the economy, the country will not be able to mine enough Bitcoin to make a considerable financial difference to their economy. Yeah, that is right. So they will start mining, and they will support the crypto. So I think the crypto will start a more faster adaptation of the crypto. Okay. Swiss city of Lugano makes Bitcoin and Tether legal tender. Lugano, the largest city in Canton Ticino, Tessin, has made Bitcoin and BTC and Tether USDT ledger tender, making it possible for people to pay goods and services using these virtual currencies. Users can now pay taxes, public services, and goods using two of the largest virtual currencies. It is possible to use LFGA tokens, CHF stablecoin. Well, it is worth taking into consideration that El Salvador was the first country in the world to make the Bitcoin legal tender, alongside the USD dollar. In Switzerland, the Swiss franc remains the legal tender currency. In October 2022, Lugano will also host the World Bitcoin Forum conference, and it will receive a large number of tourists and visitors from different European countries. Tether is the largest stablecoin in the market, thanks to becoming one of the most used dollar-backed stablecoins. Is now the third largest virtual currency in the world after Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to data shared by CoinGecko, Tether has a market capitalization of almost 80 billion. So this news is very bullish for Bitcoin. So another city, another country adopts the Bitcoin. Very good news. Bitcoin price slumps after a US jobs data in 35K, the next support. This is from CoinGecko.com. Traders are now looking for $35,000 as the next support level, which would put Bitcoin exactly where it was about 2 weeks ago, when heightened fears of Russia-Ukraine conflict has poured a risk of sentiment. Fed hikes paint bearish picture for Bitcoin. Although Bitcoin was already on a mild downtrend over the past few days, the currency accelerated its losses right after strong US jobs data. Employment grew at the highest pace in 7 months in February. An interest rate hike will reduce liquidity in the market, curbing the amount of cash that can be invested in Bitcoin. With US consumer prices at a 4-year high, a hike seems likely when the Fed meets on March 15 and 16. Hawkish comments from Powell also dismissed recent speculation that Russia-Ukraine conflict will make the Fed pause its plans for hiking. So this is a bearish news for the Bitcoin. We expect the 15th of March to see what's the news for the Fed, so we can see if the price go down or go up. Bitcoin slides under 39K, leading some traders forecast a weekend oversold bounce. Yes, if I look now on the Binance, on the Bitcoin, it is 38,350 at this moment. So yeah, this is a wave of selling. Yeah, and they would say that the Bitcoin will go towards 38,000, and as the world faces economic uncertainty, well, we might see a bounce, and if we can see a bounce, it will be 42,000 or 43,500 as a potential resistance point. If not, it will go to 35,000. The next news is that ADA Cardano continues to make a accumulation period. The price of ADA Cardano has a steady downtrend since August 2021, regardless to the new updates in the network, and actually the balance held by the 1 million ADA Cardano grew exponentially in 2022. It's normal because the price is very cheap right now, and you don't have to sell. You should not sell because it's not good. You should buy, okay? Because it's a good price for the Cardano right now. Source on Twitter says that the sentiment shed a light on another set of holders. Cardano addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million ADA bought a large amount of tokens on 2 March. This is what from ambcrypto.com says. This represented the largest single-day spike in Cardano whale accumulation in months. On 3 March, Cardano launched its mainnet new upgrade wallet with several UE improvements. It's important to note that ADA formed a red monthly candle for the 7th month in a row. Yes, so 7 months in a row, ADA Cardano has decreased in price. So since September, I think it's a good period to accumulate ADA Cardano for the holders. Yeah, who likes this project because it's a good project should buy this coin. Also, Cardano whales during plunge. What could save ADA from further losses? We have on newsbtc.com. ADA prices seems following the general sentiment of the market. Well, following the Ukraine-Russia conflict as a potential shift, and also the Federal Reserve monetary conflict seems to be operating as the core causes of the market. Okay, so actually there are around 2 million ask orders for ADA Cardano at $0.89, as seen below. There are a lot of whales that they want to buy this dip. It's normal. And these are the wallets. For example, this is $100, this is $1,000, and this is $100,000 and 1 million to 10 million dollars. So this news is about ADA whales could be reaccumulating as a result of recent improvements introduced in the mainnet. As News BTC reported, Cardano developers Yog is focused on updating the network scalability and throughput, and recently implemented the first 3 major updates for 2022. So it's a bullish news for Cardano. Ethereum whale buys 442 billion Shiba Inu as a meme token born plan grows. So this is Ethereum whale has invested 11.9 million and to buy Shiba Inu, because in a single transaction before moving to the larger wallet. So behind Shiba Inu he has this whale has Mana worth of 21 million, followed by Phantom, SandBox, and Ethereum. The whale has also significant positions in KNC, BAT, GHZ, ANG. Data from whale status shows that on average the top 100 richest Ethereum whales has increased their Shiba balance by 2.216 billion tokens, 260% rise. These whale transactions come as plans to burn Shiba through various initiatives have been growing. The Crypto Globe reported Stephen Copper, CEO of cryptocurrency entertainment firm Bigger Entertainment, has clarified in a tweet that the company is looking to support the community of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Currently, it's only 59% of Shiba Inu's initial supply that was still in circulation. As a total of 410 trillion Shiba has been born since the cryptocurrency was launched. So this is a bullish news for Shiba because it has a rendement more than Ethereum. So that's why the whales are moving for from Ethereum to Shiba Inu, because it's a bet. So that's the thing. That's why the people, the whales are moving from Ethereum, because they want to make a bet that they will earn a lot of money. SandBox. The next news is SandBox Metaverse reaches 2 million users. Milestone. The SandBox Metaverse ecosystem announced that it has now 2 million registered users, and Alpha Season 2 now is live. The SandBox Season 2. After several years of building its metaverse world, things have finally started taking shape in the SandBox world, as the team has revealed that its ecosystem is now made up more than 2 million registered members. Alpha Season 2 is now live, and the 4-week-long launch event will showcase a variety of features that members of the SandBox Metaverse have been building on their virtual lands. For those who are unaware, the SandBox is a division of Animoca brand. So it's a leading developer and publisher of blockchain games. Okay, while SandBox looks like a lot with Minecraft and Roblox, the major differentiating factor is that the former is however powered by blockchain technology and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. New experience will be rolled out in each weekday, and plus upgrades, versions, and features previously available in Metaverse. The team says that a total of 10,000 Season 2 Alpha passes are available, with each pass giving holders an opportunity to win 1,000 Sand token rewards. At press time, the price of Sand is around $3. So the guys from the SandBox, they are updating the game and also have reached 2 million users using this game. So this is a bullish news, and this demonstrates that the metaverse will be the future of the gaming industry. Okay, the next news is about Bitcoin and Tether supply exchanges records a large 30-day drop. Drop in supply might hint an upcoming price rise. So the problem is that although Bitcoin is going down with the price, there is not enough supply for Bitcoin and Tether on exchanges. So the last time when this happened, actually the Bitcoin had go up in price because there is no enough Bitcoin on the exchanges. So Lugano also aligning to become Europe's crypto capital. Also, this is a factor that may influence the price, that they want to legalize Bitcoin and Tether. So the Swiss city, with a population of more than 62,000 people, will allow residents to pay taxes, tuition fees, and public services fees using both Bitcoin and Tether. So this is another news that tells us that why the price of Bitcoin will increase, because there is a need for Bitcoin on the market. Also, Russian invasion in Ukraine might speed up the adoption of crypto. Yes, because when these two countries are in the war, they have to protect their money, their currency, and they have to go with their money and to save them in another coin. So this is the reason why Bitcoin price will increase, because people will want to support this coin to save their money. Also, Ukraine has received more than 45 million in financial aid from people around the world from crypto. This is a bullish news for Twitter and Bitcoin. Another news from Bitcoinist is that an analyst says that if the 100 oil barrel will make Bitcoin selling higher, so he says that Bitcoin continues on decline of rejection at the mid area on its current level, but the first crypto but the thing is that the current price of the Bitcoin is dominated by the large investors, according to material indicators. Bitcoin has been moving into pre-rally resistance support levels and continuing to see more losses per their trend precognition indicator, which signaled bearish momentum on the daily chart. Based on this indicator, the lack of bid orders below current levels, MI expects a potential late retest of lower levels. In combination with these factors, large investors are selling into the liquidity to minimize spillage. So this is contrarium of the other news of that I tell you. But anyway, you should do your own work and think about it. Bulls could make a sudden appearance and save Bitcoin at these levels. So this analyst says that Mike McGlone is the name. He says that Russian invasion of Ukraine might mark an apex of the world dependent on fossil fuels from dicey sources versus the new world embracing technology. Notably, crypto assets spiking commodities are fuel global recession and face elasticity, and the higher price cure. Bitcoin and Ethereum supply is inelastic and appear in early adoption days, along with proliferation of crypto dollars. In that sense, the experts believe that the current conflict between Russia and Ukraine could mark an inflection point of Bitcoin and the move towards it becoming the global digital collateral. The cryptocurrency could face obstacles as it keeps correlated with traditional markets. So what can we learn from this news? It says that Bitcoin could face obstacles as it keeps correlated with traditional markets. That means that Bitcoin is driven by the news, yeah, so normal. Now it's war, or now it's, I don't know, some company buys or some company sells it. That's what it tells us. Also, that the because of the war, the Bitcoin adoption will be more rapidly. But well, you know, it is okay. People are adopting crypto, but we are facing resistance. So I don't think, yes, it will be at a faster level than, for example, the stock market. But okay, don't think about doubling the money every year. Just think about it long term, and that's how you could win this with this strategy. This is how you can save your money and make more profit about this. Ethereum price prediction looks to revisit February lows at 20,300. So from CoinGape it says that Ethereum pressure below 50-day MAA at 2,969. Expect further lower target at 2,300 if the price decisively closes below the weekly trend line. Ethereum price faces multiple rejections near the 50-day exponential moving average. Recently, Ethereum 1 phase again found selling the pressure on March 1st. Okay, in conclusion, a daily close below 2,600 will see the next February lows of 2,300. So, on the flip side, the shift bearish sentiment will invalidate the mentioned bullish arguments. Yeah, that's normal. It is normal news. What should I say? And if we go to right now, at this moment, we can see that the Ethereum is at actually standing $2,600, and we have here MAA 100 is 2,700. MAA moving average is 200 is 2,783. So actually we are in a bearish trend. So I think it is a possibility that we can retest the 2,300 price target very soon. So for the people that buy Ethereum at higher price, like I did when I invested in 2021, you should hold and buy more when the price falls down, or right now if you have if your average price is higher than 2,600, you should buy more, and you should make a good strategy of how much money you can invest in if the price goes even further down. Okay, so Luna price prediction. In this CoinGape article, we can see that Luna is facing resistance at around $80 or $92 actually, and it says that the volume has falling 20% after this big pump. Yeah, it's normal, so we can stall over here, and in this article it says that the expected pullback can plunge the coin back to $77 support. However, a follow-up of breakdown will threaten another 20% loss next to 61%. So here we have the levels of support. 45, this is yes, a major level support, and resistance at 92 and 100. Well, we can if you buy, for example, at 40, 50, 60, there is no problem. But if you buy at $90, you should hold your dollar, hold your Luna, and don't sell it. And maybe it's better to find some exchanges that you can stake and earn 15% per year, and that's why you can lower your average price. On the crypto in grid market, we have on the fear in grid index, we have extreme fear at 22. Yeah, it's not the lowest, but it is a very low value. So on 28th February we had 20, and on 22, when the war started, was 20. So we're kind of like over there, because we don't know what Mr. President Putin will do in advance. So there is a lot of uncertainty with this war, with these markets right now, and with Feds and everything what happens in the USA. So if we look at the Ethereum, we can see that it's a bearish trend right now, and you should hold your coins and accumulate more. It's a it's a good period to accumulate. Also, crypto is, also Bitcoin is at 38,300, so another good period for accumulation. And we can look at moving average 200, it's 40,900. AMA, it's at 100, it's 40,400. AMA 25, it's 39,156. So right now it's a lot of uncertainty in the market, but it's a good time to accumulate if you buy the Bitcoin at $65,000 when it was on all-time high, or maybe higher if you buy at 45,000 or 50,000 or 55,000. This is a good opportunity for you. It's at discount. Every coin right now it's at discount. So Bitcoin, it's at discount. Ethereum, it's at discount. Heguludu, it's at discount. Cardano, One, Sand, it's at discount. Yes, you should buy this coin, because right now it's a very, very good price for these coins. Of course, the market can go even further down with 20% or 30% down than this. But in my opinion, you should make a strategy. If the market, if you have a this kind of money, let's say $10,000, you should put 30% or maybe 40% when the Ethereum goes to the bottom of like 2,100 or 2,000 area, and you should start from there, buying in percentage to $10,000 to this area of 2,600. So these are my advices for you. I'm not a financial consultant. I am an investitor like other people, and I will, in the future, I will show you my portfolio and in which coins I invested, and over time I want to be better at doing crypto. I am new in this market. Sorry for my English. I am not from USA. I'm not an English person, but I hope that I will talk better in the next video clips. And well, support. I will tell you my story in the next videos, who I am, and what I do for a living, and what I invest in crypto, and what are my targets for the crypto industry. So thank you very much, guys. I'm Sorin. So thanks for watching my video, and if you want, you can push the like button and subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.